In today's video, we will be talking about how to add Shopify product review and rating. Now, to be able to do this, you're going to click on apps over here on the left side. Now, adding some reviews or rating into your Shopify store is not a default feature in Shopify. So that's why we will have to rely on applications to be able to add this specific feature into our Shopify store and to be able to be seen or to be able to see it into our store in our display later on. So you're simply going to search product review in the search bar after selecting apps, and you will be redirected to the App Store, wherein you will be able to find different applications that would improve your experience with Shopify. Now, as you can see here, there are several apps that would allow you to add some product reviews. Let's check out some of them. Example over here, an Ali review. Ali review is specifically for AliExpress so that you will be able to extract some product reviews from AliExpress that you have added to your Shopify store if you're dealing with some drop shipping with that specific application. But let's go check out our first application over here called Judge.me. This Judge.me will allow you to have unlimited email review requests with photo and video. You will be able to display stars as rating for the store or product review. You can even add some trust badges and review carousel over here. You will be able to share your reviews on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Rich Snippet, and Google Shopping. You will be able to engage with your reviews with Q&A, coupons, email marketing, and many more. And you will be able to syndicate your product review automatically with Shop app. The other application over here, like Vitals Review, you will be able to have some product review. You can either collect, import from AliExpress and others. You can also request via email. You will be able to have some upsell builder and visitor replays and many more as well. And then we have your Ali reviews over here that I explained earlier. You will be able to automate review requests and pre-made templates via email and SMS. You will be able to import or bulk import from AliExpress, review importer, and you can do this for Amazon, Deezers, or Ali orders over here. This will allow you to perform store the more or the most attractive on any page with eye-catching review display. You will be able to turn photo reviews and UGC into amazing marketing assets, and you can also easily gather insight reviews from customer questions, Q&A, and incentive program. Because if you choose the specific app that you think is the best for your store, and you will be able to utilize them to add some review or product review or rating to your online store. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.